Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we just try our best. So if you can relate to that or you're interested in participating and trying your best, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today we have some nosy dogs trying to push through the door. It's okay. I am going to show you 5 plants in my collection that have really popped out to me in the month of March. And yeah. I'm gonna show you why I'm excited. There's one that's a little, I just cleaned the one that looks a little crazy looking, but I still am really excited about it. So yeah, let's just get into it. So let me start with that one. So the first one I want to show you is my fuzzy petiole. Now, this leaf is the crazy looking leaf. And there might have been a little bit of spider mite stuff happening. It's hard to tell. But I think that is. But I feel like all the leaves kind of look like that a little bit. They have a little speckling. I don't know, you can kind of see it on this one a little bit too. So I don't really know what that is, but I cleaned the whole leaves. I cleaned all the leaves. This is the second to newest leaf. Part of the reason I want to show you this is because they started out these little itty bitty leaves, right? And now we got one pretty much as big as my hand. And the newest leaf came out a little bit smaller, but I don't know if these leaves come out as big as they're going to or not. But look at how pretty that is. There's no spider mites on this guy. This is a brand new leaf. And I want to show you the backs. They have a slight red hue. I think you can see that. But yeah, I'm so excited. I thought I was going to lose this plant, but she's starting to grow back. So we have a new leaf right here coming in on this one and on this one. So these two little 4-inch plants I popped in together. I think they might have been 3-inch or 2-inch plants, but I pot them together. They definitely had a little bit of transplant shock. But let me close the door so the dogs. But they definitely they went through it for a little bit when I put them into this bigger pot together. But I think they're doing okay now, and I'm so excited. I'm excited to see what these newer leaves look like. This one looks like it's gonna be big, so it would be nice if I can get another one this size, just not all crazy looking. Would be really cool. So the fuzzy petiole. Alright, the next one, let me pour this little water out, is dun, 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 my Peperomia incana. Check it out, Miles, this is what he's looking like. Look at that. Look at how cute. When I originally got this plant, I think I got I had 4 stalks. I remember having 4 stalks. And I put them all in one pot or whatever. It did not look this cute. It was scraggly looking and crazy looking. But look at how cute. I did just water these, so there's some water on the leaves. But look at how cute. If this is how it's going to grow and stay kind of compact and just keep getting a little bigger, bushier, that would be great, really. This has made me almost want to try the Peperomia obtusifolia plant again. It's basically like this plant, but just not velvety leaves. So, alright, I'm back. It was the mailman. Sound the alarm. Anyway, this little Peperomia, it's made me want to try the obtusifolia again. But I don't know. If I do, I'm not going to pick, I'm going to be very particular about the one I pick. If I do. I'm not even 100% sure. Maybe I'll just keep this guy for now and leave it. But look at how cute. And it's cute in this little planter with a drainage hole. I got this from Etsy. I can't remember the shop name, but I made a video about it, so you can go back and check it out and see where I got it if you're interested. It's a handmade, small business, small artist pot. So yeah, it looks cute. It's a whole little vibe. Ooh. All right, the next one, I think you can see right here, is my Hoya Bolan. And this plant, it took a little bit to take off. But look at her now, and look at these strappy leaves. Oh my goodness. Look at how big they got. So this is the second to newest leaf. Look at how pretty that is. Look at how pretty that is. And then this is the newest leaf. It's not even done hardening off. So she's gonna get even bigger. But can you see the parallel venation on that with the slight secondary venation going through? That is so pretty. It's so pretty. And I just love how it like hangs and falls. It kind of gives me the anthurium. I'm back. And yes, I yelled at that dog because he's barking at nothing. Literally nothing. Okay. This leaf is still hardening off. It's wider than the previous leaf, which is really exciting. So I'm not sure. I have high hopes that this leaf is going to be like really big. And it gives me the Philodendron Patriciae vibes and the Anthurium Pallidiflorum vibes. And it's a Hoya. So if you're into the long strappy leaf type of thing, check out Hoya Bolan. B-U-L-U-S-A-N. Very cool Hoya. I don't see a lot of Hoyas like that where all the leaves kind of, they want to drape down. That's what I've noticed. But just look at how huge these leaves are. Bigger than my hands. Beautiful. They have parallel venation. It's very subtle. The light green venation in the darker green leaf is beautiful. So, but yeah, I just wanted to get a little documentation of how big this leaf is at the moment. So then maybe I can give you an update in like a month or two and see how big it really is. Remind me, tell me, be like, hey, I want an update on the Bolan. Let me know. Alright, the next plant I'm going to show you is my Philodendron Tortem. So I got this from the plant dealer, one of the mystery boxes. And it was a little plant. It had one leaf. One of these, I think it might have been, I don't even know if you can see it. This little leaf down here, I think that was the original leaf. And now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. The newest leaf is this one. And we have a new one. I want you to get an up-close view of how freaky these look when they start unfurling. I think I have a short of this leaf unfurling. And you can go like check that out. Not like completely unfurling, but more unfurled than this guy. And you could just, it really does look like little fingers just opening up, and then it's like a bam. So yeah, look at how cool that looks. I love this plant. Very easy. I thought it would be harder because of like just the leaf shape, but really easy. Tolerates my underwatering. And yeah, highly recommend. Philodendron Tortem. Alright, the last one that I'm going to show you for the month of March is my Hoya Sunrise. First off, let's just take a little tour of what this plant looks like. And we'll come back down. There's probably mealies, so let me know if you see any. Look at that leaf right there. That is freaking beautiful. Look at that. This piece right here was from the my original Sunrise that like wouldn't grow, was taking forever. It's finally branching off. It looks a little wonky, but it's growing. We got a new little leaf right here. We have, I believe there are 2 peduncles. 3. There are 3 peduncles. Okay, let me get you up close. So that guy's a peduncle. By my thumb is a little peduncle. And then we got a little itty bitty baby one right at the edge of my hand. Right there. And we got a bunch of new, oop. If I knock off a leaf or a peduncle, I'm gonna be so sad. We got a bunch of new leaves coming in. this guy's just doing really good and it looks so pretty. Now you can tell where the light is coming from. I have lights on top of it, so the top of the plant is very red. But as the plant grows farther away from the light, it kind of does go green. But that's fine. I like having the dichotomy of a green and red plant. I think the pop of the venation is stunning. You can't tell me that's not amazing. I also do think it's good to have a little bit of green and not sun stress your entire plant, because it is a type of stress. And I don't know. I haven't looked up any scientific explanation for that, but my head says stress is not always a good thing, and too much of it is definitely not. So having a little bit of green with the sun stress in a plant, I think, is good and makes for a very beautiful display. Isn't this cute? Come on now, tell me. I just can't get over those leaves. I love it. I love it. Alrighty guys, so those are the plants in March 2023 that have caught my eye. I'm fangirling over, and I needed to show them. I needed to show them off. So yeah, let me know which is your favorite out of the 5 that I showed you. Are you a Philodendron, Peperomia, a Hoya person? And I guess if you made it to the end of the video, give me a little heart emoji. Do you prefer your sunrise to be red or green? So either a red heart or a green heart. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, until next time, relax, plant, peace out.